Okay, what you need to do is flip this around like so to get access to it. Now the next thing you need to do is take 3 fingers and stick your 3 fingers inside behind this green line over here. You have to get a firm grip, stick your fingers in like so. Then you have to hold this tight because this is tight and requires sufficient pulling power to pull it out. So hold on like so, put your fingers here, put one thumb here, put your fingers here, and just pull. And that's how it comes out. Put it back in, just rest it on like so, and firmly push around to snap it into place. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for tuning in.